What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and today we are checking out the Realme Pro 10 Plus. Join us in this quick unboxing and hands-on. Boom 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 boom. Inside the box we are greeted with some messaging from Realme. Let's embrace a new journey. So get ready to brace guys. And inside this box, we get a jelly case, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and that's it. Taking the box and all the paperwork aside, we get the device itself. Getting it out of the plastic, we are greeted by a beautiful curved edge design, and we should power up the phone right now. Setting the phone aside, while it powers on, let's check out what else is inside the box. We have a 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charging brick, as well as a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. Moving on to the device, the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G sports a polycarbonate back panel with some Realme branding on the bottom left of the device. On the top left, you can notice the triple camera setup. Do not let the two huge circles fool you. This is actually a triple camera setup with the dual LED flash on its right. The top circle houses the 108 megapixel Pro Light camera, and below it we get the ultra-wide and telephoto sensors. Flipping the device to the front, we are greeted by the beautiful 120Hz AMOLED display. It's curved at the edges, which is very a la Samsung, but actually the ergonomic feel of this phone does feel nice. The aluminum frame that sandwiches the back and front panel does feel like it's on the slim side, but if you don't have a problem with thin-feeling phones, this should not be a problem for you. Out of the box, we get Android 13 skinned with Realme UI 4.0 on top. This thing rocks a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset. It also has a 5000 mAh battery, as well as 8 gigs of RAM with 4 gigs of virtual RAM. The selfie camera is a 16 megapixel shooter, while again, the main shooter at the back is 108 megapixels with the 8 megapixel telephoto and 2 megapixel ultra-wide. So yeah, that's it. This seems like a promising device for a good budget. I hope you liked our quick hands-on and unboxing. So yeah, this is the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. Let us know what you guys think of this device in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and this has been the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, and we will see you in the next video.